Welcome back everyone. This is another series we're going to be doing on the restoration of this 1956 Beetle. It's quite a cool car. Let's turn you around and do a little walk around. Okay, so this is Nick's 1956 UK right-hand drive Oval Beetle. It's come in for a full restoration. It's actually not bad for a UK car. It's not bad at all. It's going to need bits of metal work, and the front wings need replacing with the proper ones. They're not oval specific. That bonnet gap is going to need sorting out, and bits and bobs like that all over it. The door gaps ain't perfect. But it's a cool car, not patched up, so I'm quite looking forward to doing this one. So I'll start stripping this down, bagging and tagging it all, sort out what we're going to be reusing, what needs replacing. The big panels I'll bare metal by hand, and then we'll send the body for blasting the bits I can't get to particularly well, and we'll get the chassis blasted, and then we'll start the metal work. Okay, so we've started bare metal in the car. We've done the 4 quarters and half the roof so far. It's real nice cars. It's had some poor previous repairs and some bits of sauce, like holes in the bottom there to do, but quarter's nice. Same with the rear quarter. I mean, it looks really straight, but it's not. There's a few dents to sort out, and then there's holes in the bottom that have been filled, but you still got the factory drainage holes on the bottom. But what somebody's done at some point have welded all the way down here and put like an over channel repair piece on. It's a bit glossy there, but the other side, the same. Nice quarter, factory drain holes, and that's all nice. It looks factory under that bit of steel there, and the inner body mounts and bumper hangers all look pretty good. So that's a bit ropey at the back, but we'll see how that comes back after blasting. These bits on the cross members we know about. So overall, it's a nice car, and there's a post right on the bottom of these that we know about. Within the channels, cross members, hopefully when they come back from blasting they're savable. It'd be nice to keep them. Yeah, these quarters full of filler there, fiberglass filler, and same in the holes. So some of the previous works not the best, but we'll sort it all. Same repair down there needs doing. That was loaded up with filler, and I think the wheel well has been replaced before. It's not particularly, it's not bad, but we'll do that a bit nicer as well. So yeah, we'll get the roof finished, and then it'll be sent off to the blaster to do all these parts. We can't really do by hand. But yeah, so it's a nice car. Looking forward to getting it back from the blasters where it's all in bare metal, see exactly what we're working with. So yeah, that's the end of this one. So next time you see it, it'll be back from the blasters in the next episode. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Any questions, drop us a comment below and I'll get back to you. Cheers.